Hello, YouTube. Let's talk about strange celestial bodies in our solar system. And I want to talk about an object called Pan. Pan is the innermost named moon of Saturn. It is a small, strangely shaped moon, approximately 35 kilometers across and 23 kilometers wide, that orbits within the Encke gap in the Saturn's A ring. Pan is a ring shepherd and is responsible for keeping the Encke gap free of ring particles. It is sometimes described as having the appearance of a ravioli or a dumpling or pelmeni, the Russian dumpling, the food that I described in my video not that long ago. Or it looks like a UFO that people have observed in the sky of our planet for millennia. See, the legendary Cassini probe transmitted unique and very impressive images to Earth during its long and very productive mission in orbit around the ring giant Saturn. And among all these unique images, one can single out a very interesting series. These are photos of Saturn's moon Pan. All of them have very good quality and high resolution. But I also heard that Pan was discovered by Mark Showalter of the Search for the Extraterrestrial Intelligence Institute in 1990. And he did it from the analysis of old Voyager 2 probe photos, and the object received the provisional designation S/1981 S13 because the discovery images dated back to 1981. It turned out that Saturn's moon Pan is quite strange. It is not at all like any other satellite of the planets of the solar system. And of course, the strangest thing is the way it looks. It looks like a dumpling, a ravioli, or a UFO, like I said before. But some people say it looks like a walnut. Well, the Cassini photographed this small satellite of irregular shape, measuring 34.4 by 31.4 by 20.8 kilometers, but from a greater distance. And in these pictures, it was possible to see that Pan has an irregular shape, but no more than that. But in the new photos, more detailed, it was possible to see that satellite has this strange shape of a walnut, if you want, or a flying saucer. As mentioned above, it's like a certain cosmic dumpling. It is precisely such associations that the equatorial disk, consisting apparently of the material of Saturn's rings, evokes in people. The fact is that Pan is located in the middle of the Encke division of Saturn's rings, ring A, and it is engaged in the cleaning of ice and dust particles. Very interesting. It's like some intelligent force put it there with the purpose of doing precisely that. Before the Cassini mission, scientists could not examine the surface of Pan in detail. Therefore, the resulting photos turned out to be simply amazing. And they looked more like computer models than real photographs. There are crater-shaped traces on the disk, so to say, of Pan, indicating that it has a significant thickness and strength. At the same time, Pan's body is also it's surprising by the presence of several craters and numerous cracks running along its surface. That's what gives it the look of a walnut. In addition to hints about the formation of the Saturn ring system, Pan's disk is a good laboratory for visualizing on a small scale the processes of the formation of the solar protofog, from which the planets of the solar system came to be. To understand the nature of such formations, it is necessary to take into account many complex phenomena, such, for example, as electrostatic charges, particle viscosity, or tidal forces. Pan is a very interesting space object. And when scientists thought that after the discovery of another previously unknown satellite of Saturn, deafness, nothing could surprise them, they were very wrong. And I think we should pay attention to this celestial body. We may be surprised in the future. And I will keep my eyes open as well, and my ears too. And I have to tell you that some of the information in my video came from the article posted by Sergei, that Russian space specialist whom I mentioned once in a while, very bright scientist. And he worked for special programs of his country. And if they're interested, then others should be interested too, because there is definitely something. He would not have done it for kicks, like they say. He did it because there's, in my opinion, there is definitely something out there. Our celestial system is very surprising, and I'll bring you more stories in the future. If you can support my research, please do so through the links you will find in the description to this video. And please kindly tell others about my channel. Please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much.